All right, that was the art. Now we're going to go to the technical, and for that we're going to bring down our illustrious teacher from the German area of the world. Karsten, come on down. Where are you?
Hi, I'd like to say that I'm absolutely amazed by the level of quality and polishment that I've seen in the games here. And it was a close call, especially for the technology prize here. And the award for the best student effort in technology goes to Ted Lindström for Cause of War.
First, I'd like to thank my girlfriend for supporting me, even though I haven't got much time for her lately. She's sitting over there. And secondly, I'd like to thank everyone who has helped with arranging Gotland Game Awards, which is a great carrot for every student in here. Thank you.